other things, or otherwise I'll give it to Sai sir. He will explain once more the practical manner. Okay, so I started a recording. So first of all, today I want to start with the networking basics. Actually, I want to start with the hardware, but I want to start with the networking basics because it's a more important than hardware. So it's a second important topic, right? So people who are attend, it is depends upon them. And be interactive, guys. Okay, be interactive. So that's we will encourage. It is become you don't sleep, I don't sleep. That's how important is in afternoon class. I can teach like a 1 hour, 2 hours without stopping anything. I can speak, but if you interact, it is giving a more energy, and we can able to speak in a proper way and proper sense without deviating topic or without delay. We will stick into the main points only. It's okay. So I'm start with the networking basic, guys. Here it is. 4 definitions are there. The first definition is interconnection of 2 or more devices. Interconnection of 2 or more devices. Okay. So here it is. I have written two or more connection. It is 2 systems are there. You can look at here in this system. This is another system. 2 systems are there. I have connected either directly or indirectly through such something I have connected. That is called a interconnection. Either 2 systems or 3 systems or 4 systems. Interconnection of 2 or more devices is called a network. Interconnection of 2 or more devices is called a network. What is networking? What is networking? Communication between 2 or more devices. What is networking? Communication between 2 or more connected devices. Interconnected devices means I make a connection means network. The word is network. But if you are communicating, if you are able to communicate, because connected does not mean communicating. Okay, without connection, no communication. So first is create a network and start communicate. Create a network and then start communicate. So that is called it is networking. So what is a network? Connection of 2 or more devices called a network. Interconnection of 2 or more devices called a network. What is networking? Communication between interconnected devices. So the you are connected means network. Communication means networking. What is internetwork? What is internetwork? Internetwork is a connection of 2 or more networks. Okay, so for example, here it is, one network is there and there is a another network. If you are connected these networks together, so that is called a internetwork. That is called a internetwork. If in case, okay, you are connected. Now you are communicating. For example, this PC in one network, this PC in another network. If these PCs are communicating each other through the interconnection, so that is called a internetworking. That is called a internetworking. So there's a 4 definitions in the starting only. So what is a network? Interconnection of 2 or more devices. Interconnection of 2 or more devices called a network. Communication between interconnected devices is called a networking. Internetwork means connection of 2 or more networks. 2 or more networks is called a internetwork. Internetworking means communication between these different networks called a internetworking. And some most common question is I missed here. Is missed or not missed? Okay, it is there. So this is first point, guys. Next, type of networks. Type of networks. So what is the type of network? It is basically in earlier days, people create a network putting these kind of name LAN, WAN, CAN kind of stuff based on the geographical area limitation. Geographical area limitation, range or a limitation or a size, you can say like that. So LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN, local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Local area network is like a kind of a room. For example, in my room, I have a 10 computers and I connected together. It is simply a LAN. So in my floor, I have a 10 rooms are there. 10 rooms having each room having a 10 computers. All are connected together. All are communicating each other. So my LAN size is a floor now. One room to one floor. I have a 10 floors are there in my building. All computers in the each floor are connected each other. They are communicating each other. So my communication range from first floor to 10th floor or a 10th floor to first floor. Total entire building, all computers can able to communicate each other. This kind of higher limit for a single LAN. So a LAN is either a room or a floor of a building and to the up to the entire building. So that is called a local area network. Campus area network. So this is an example of campus area network. If you say a university or a college or a organizations like Cognizant campus, TechM campus, TCS campus, like so different campus like universities, Andhra University, Usmania University, University. Okay, so like IITs, triple ITs. So we have big universities, colleges are there. Each building, if you consider as a LAN, if you take each building as a single LAN connection, this is a LAN, this is a LAN, this is a LAN, this is a LAN. Each building is a one single LAN. But all buildings are connected either directly or indirectly, whatever it is. All buildings are connected together and all are able to communicate each other. So mechanical people will share the information to administrative office. So ECE people will get some information from admin office, or a civil people share the computers with the computers department, or a triple E people need a support from the mechanical people. Okay, so like that. So each building is a one LAN connection, but all combination of these buildings become one single network. This is become one single network. But limitation is up to your college campus or university campus or your organization campus. So that is called a campus area network. The limit is up to campus only. Guys, understand? LAN, CAN.
Yes, sir.
Next one is, yeah, very good. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. So what is this metropolitan area network? In one city, it is the range is within the city. Metropolitan area network is within the city. What is within the city? For example, you take a Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Chennai is a metropolitan city. Delhi, Kolkata, These are the 4 metropolitan cities in India. So the limit is up to the city limit. Like entire Mumbai comes under one man. So metropolitan area network. Meaning is within the city we have a different departments are there. Okay. For example, mayor office is there. Hospitals are there. Airport is there. A police station is there. Bus stand, railway stations. Road department, water department, fire department. Like, we need a communication between these different lands. We combine together and become a large network, but the limitation is metropolitan area network. Means within the city is a limitation for a MAN network. Next, WAN, wide area network. Wide area network is not having any particular limitation, but as per our globe, it is a global network. Means if I am able to communicate nowadays, if I am able to communicate from my place to some different place. I am using a YouTube because YouTube server is in a different physical location, right? So it can be in a San Jose or a San Francisco. It can be there. Microsoft is a different location. AWS is in different location. Maybe what is Gmail is a different location, right? So different geographical location, the servers, clients are located. So still we can able to communicate because of WAN. WAN is a global network. Entire globe is covered with a WAN. So the limitation is globe. Maybe in the future, if you are communicating from one planet to another planet, from Earth to Moon or Earth to Mars, now people are going to Mars now. So we will see how many people will go. Okay. Okay. So that is limitation. For example, in New Jersey, we have a big branch, main corporate office. New Jersey, we have a main office is there, CEO office and corporate office. Main data centers are there. In Hyderabad also, we are connecting those servers and working from Hyderabad. How to work? Because of WAN, wide area network. What are the definitions here? So also I added few more things. Sorry, I added a few more things here. One is PAN. One is PAN. PAN means personal area network. Personal area network. Nowadays people are asking this, so that's why I put it here. Mainly from students, not from interviewers. Mainly from students, people are asking this. What is PAN kind of stuff? PAN is a personal area network. Means you have a mobile phone, you have a Bluetooth earphones, smartwatches, right? So this is your personal area network. You are sharing data which you are using, what you are using, the kind of stuff. Smart bags are there, smart clothes are there, smart bikes are there, right? Even a bike also SMS, QR code, something like interconnecting applications wise. Okay, smart watches. Smart watches is another example. Personal area network. Home area network. HAN means it's a home area network. What is home area network? Make a smart homes kind of stuff. Smart home means you have a smart TV. You can connect a smart TV with internet or some Bluetooth or a Miracast kind of stuff, casting. Mobile phone connections. We can control everything with mobile phone. Smart printers, voice assistants like Google Home, Alexa, Echo, smart TV, smart ACs, okay, automatically temperature control kind of stuff, okay. Any home appliances like what we can say, we have engineering projects are there now, automatic coffee maker, okay. Smart. So everything we can connect using a Wi-Fi direct connections. Like I want to take a print, so I no need to go to somewhere printer kind of stuff. No? I purchase a Wi-Fi printer. So when I want to take a print, I will no need to connect a printer also. Through Wi-Fi, I can take a print. Okay, through Wi-Fi or a Wi-Fi direct, like a hotspot. Okay, so I can use it. So it's like a home automation, personal automation thing comes under pan and hand. Guys, pan hand not comes under this main category. So actual category of type of networks are LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN only, not pan and hand. Okay, but people are putting these names mainly in internet, so obviously we have to talk about it. Of course, some books also there. SAN, storage area network. Storage area network is not at all any network. Storage area network used in enterprises. It is a storage solutions. How to put a data, how to access the data, how to assign a LANs, this kind of stuff. Okay. So, but by name, the definition is storage area network, but it is a completely storage solutions only. This is LAN, MAN, CAN. So what is the question? Type of network. LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN. LAN is a local network. It's a private network. I have a laptop. I have a mobile phone. I have a TV. I have a tablet, and I have some other mobile phones, printer. These are all in my local LAN network only. Of course, I connected with the internet through modem. Okay, but other than that one, all our devices in a LAN network only. Internal network, private network, intranet network. I have a server in my LAN, so that is intranet. I have a server, I am accessing a server which is outside my network, means it's somewhere in the location. I am accessing through internet. I open my Gmail account. I open my Gmail. So through internet, without internet, I can't open Gmail, right? So that is internet. That is internet. Through internet only I can access Gmail. In my room, in my LAN, I have a some mail server is there. Okay, I have a mail server, or maybe a file server, or maybe some web server is there. I develop a web server in my local network. I don't require internet to access that server. Simply the server name or a server IP address I can able to access. I don't require internet. That is called a intranet. Intranet is a local and private network. Okay, so without trying, see, this is my something like a switch or a local router kind of stuff. I have a computers. Okay, everything is connected. No internet connection here. This is a server, some server, web server, something. I am accessing from here. So this is called a intranet. I don't require any internet outside connection. For example, somewhere my google.com is there, yahoo.com is there, or w3schools.com is there. Is it there? Yeah. w3schools.com is there. So this guy want to access W3 schools website. It's somewhere located. Okay, so I have to connect to the internet to ISP provider. So finally, in a global net, I will reach the server. This is, for example, router or a modem kind of device. This is my service provider. Through that one, I will access, right? But point is, I am getting this W3 schools website through internet. It's a global, it's a public. I can open w3schools.com. You can open a w3schools.com. Anyone can able to open w3schools.com through internet. I have a server. I can open a server. I can access my server like this. But you cannot access my server through internet because my server is in my intranet, not in the internet. Okay, it's not globally connected. Yeah, it's a little confusion will be there, but understand what is internet, what is intranet. Internet is public network. You can access, I can access, anyone can able to access. That is a public. What is intranet? It is the it is in my local only. I want to try to communicate to my another computer from my laptop. Intranet within my network, within a home only. Okay. So again, LAN is a local network. It's a private campus area network within the campus. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network within the city. WAN is a global network. It's a networks of network. It's complete public network. Okay, basic LAN structure is like this. So there is some computers or servers are connected to a device. Then it is become a simple LAN network. This is the example of MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. So it's a WAN, wide area network thing. So different places, different your organization related, but they are connected to do work. Okay, guys, do you understand up to here what is network and types of network?
Yes, sir.
Next part is basics requirement of network. Okay, so before we will go to that one, so take just 5 minutes relax. So I will tell about basic requirements and how to check the MAC address and IP address. Oh, so many, not 5 minutes relax. Okay, just 2 minutes relax. So I want to make this one as a small.